Celebrities and social media influencers always have a way of letting us know we need to take care of our skin. Of course, yes, we need to achieve that glowing skin. Everyone desired a very beautiful skin like the celebrities we see today. Yes, you too can achieve this celebrity skin that is all glowing, looking supple, looking fresh, radiant, and has a youthful glow. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a particular product you should try out if you need to achieve, or if you want to achieve, that glowing, youthful, and brighter, radiant skin. This product does not have any bleaching ingredients in there. It is very mild on the skin. It's high in moisturizer, and it's going to gradually brighten your skin to the desired result that you want. Everyone wants to look flawless. Everyone wants to have this glow. Don't go anywhere. Hi trends, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trend Allure. Welcome to the new and old subscribers. Please, before we continue this video, give this video a like so that YouTube can push my videos to a wider audience. So today I'm going to be talking about a particular product called Dove Body Love. So this Dove Body Love is very nice on the skin, and I'm going to be telling you the right one that is suitable for your skin type. Are you buying the one that is suitable for you, or are you just buying any one and to use? You need to go through the ingredients and read it to know the one that is suitable for you, or the one you want. If you desire a particular kind of skin, you need to get a particular one. So today I'm going to be talking about the first one is Dove Vitamin B. So this is it here. This is the one I have here, and also I'm putting a picture for you guys to see. So this one contains vitamin B3, and what vitamin B3 does is that it helps to prevent water loss from your skin. In its niacinamide form, this vitamin helps to retain loss of water from the skin. It helps to moisturize your skin. It's very high in moisturizer, and it is very good when it comes to skin sagging or wrinkling of the skin. It also helps to heal the skin. So if you're like from your 35 upward, I would say yes, this vitamin B is something for you to try out, because what you want to do right then is to make your skin still look like you're in your 20s, still look glowing and radiant. So go for this vitamin B Dove. It is very nice, and it smells really nice, guys. It smells like Pierce Baby. It is not harsh. The scent is not harsh at all. It strengthens the productive skin moisture barrier, so it helps to build up the thing that locks in moisture to your skin. Also helps to protect your skin from aggression of the weather and the UV rays of the sun. So this is one. The next one I'm going to be talking about is, so this one is also written here that it is visible even skin tone effect, and it's for all skin type. So all skin type can use this vitamin B. And also it helps to repair, tan, and whiten even skin tone. So gradual process, this is going to whiten your skin. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can mix this if you want a whiter skin tone. So subscribe for that video. So the next one is Body Love Awakening Care. So this one too is for all skin types, and it also helps to moisturize the skin. It contains matcha green tea and sakura blossom flower. So these are herbs that is known to the Korean women. The Korean people always use this in their lotion to achieve that very youthful glow. Another thing, and the main ingredient of this awakening care, is the fact that it has glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is very good when it comes to exfoliating the skin. So we have a moisturizer that can exfoliate your skin, and when you're exfoliating your skin, the dead skin cells of your skin tends to shed off while producing new skin cells and new skin layers. So your skin tends to get brighter and brighter over time. So it is not the harsh form of exfoliator. It's just the right percentage of glycolic acid that is in this lotion that to help you exfoliate your skin properly. Also, this is a 48 hours lotion, which means it's going to keep your skin moist for 48 hours. Next, we have the Essential Body Milk. So this one is for dry skin. The other ones I've been talking about, remember I always say for all skin types, but this one, if you have dry skin, if you're suffering from dry skin, this is one lotion to go for. This one contains very high moisturizer, and it's going to help lock in moisture to your skin, protecting your skin from the harsh layer or the harsh weather of the earth or the environment. Another thing too is that it locks in moisture and then makes your skin feel soft. The main ingredient on this lotion is the ceramide. I remember I said the ceramide helps to lock in moisture to the skin. So if you're suffering from dry skin, this is one lotion you need to try out. This one is actually smaller than the rest of this. Like this one is 400, yeah, 400. This one is 24 hours protection, 400 ml, but the other one is 250 ml. The next one is the glowing care. When you hear glowing care, it means it's going to glow your skin. This one contains lotus flower and then rice milk extra. You know something about rice? Rice tends to whiten the skin. Korean secret or whitening skincare secret, they always go for rice. And rice helps to reduce the melanin production on the skin, thereby making the skin whiter. It also contains other normal natural oils, and one of the main ingredients in here is the fact that it has hyaluronic acid in it. Hyaluronic acid is a slippery substance that our body produces naturally. It helps to retain moisture in the skin, and it also helps to prevent damage caused by the sun, and also it helps with dark spots. It helps as a protective barrier to our skin. Hyaluronic acid is one well, I call it product to look out for, especially if you want a well moisturized skin care product, especially for your face. Then I would say yes, hyaluronic acid is something hyaluronic is something to look out for in the ingredients of a product that you are buying. The same goes for this one, invigorating body care as well. So they also contain hyaluronic acid in it as well. So these are the ones I'm going to tell you guys about. Trust me, if you're using this lotion, you're not going to worry about dark knuckles, you're not going to worry about sunburn, you're not going to worry about dark patches on your skin. They are made with very natural and mild ingredients as well. So these are the products, and you can use this to achieve your desired skin. Trust me on that. You just have to get the right scrub to use as well that is suitable for your skin type. I did a video, I'm going to link it also in this video, and also a toner that is very good for your skin. You just need to have the right things to use, and trust me, your skin is going to gradually be like all these people you are admiring. I hope this video was useful to you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave your comment below. If you don't have what to say hi trend, yeah. And don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can push my video to a wider audience. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video.